Yo, V Nation, are you tired of always looking around trying to find a pen or a notebook to write your notes on? Then I got what you need right here. This smart voice recorder from a company called iFLYTEK. All right. So if you're interested in something like this, you might want to stay tuned and check out this video. All right. All right. Yo, Skippy, roll the intro. Okay, YouTube, this is your boy Mark for LOOSESCREWZZANDVIEWS back again another video. But you know how we do. Before we get started, let's get all that business and politicking out of the way. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you'll be notified of new videos. Tell a friend, tell a friend. Go ahead and subscribe. Alright, now that we got all that business and politicking out of the way, let's get to the video. Yo, V Nation, this is your man Mark, back again another video. Today we're going to take a look at a smart voice recorder from a company called iFLYTEK. Alright, before we get started, I want to give all thanks and praise to the Father God above and Savior Jesus Christ, because without God, none of this is possible. Alright. And by the way, can you guys do me a favor? Can you guys go down and hit the subscribe button? It's free, no costing thing, and you'll be helping somebody out. Alright. Oh, V Nation, today we're going to be taking a look at a smart voice recorder from a company called iFLYTEK. Let me run down some of the specs for spec junkies before we get this out of the box. It has 4 offline transcriptions. And it also has long distance recordings equipped with 2 directional microphones and 4 omnidirectional microphones supporting recordings for up to 10 meters. All right. It transcribes into 5 major languages. You hear that? 5 major languages. All right. It has intelligent noise reduction. You gotta, try to, get rid of some of that background noise. Secure data transfer, so you got to worry about your data being insecure. And it has it features 4 recording modes and is equipped with a high performance 8-core processor for faster transcription speed. What? And it features a 2-inch touchscreen providing more convenient and user-friendly use, and it's packing 32 gigs of large storage. All right, 32 gigs of storage with the capacity to store approximately 175 hours of recordings. And like I said, this would be perfect for you going to a conference or something like that, or you're in class if you're a student. Man, this would be perfect. But that's a lot of specs right there. So I'm gonna let you take a look at the box real quick. You get a close up of the box. Look at that. It looks gorgeous. It looks gorgeous on the outside, and here's some information on the back. So let's go ahead. What I want to do is go ahead and get this out of the box. So let's go ahead and pull this out of the box. All right. I'm going to set the box aside. And this right here, this thing right here is going to alleviate having to carry around pen and paper all the time. I mean, sometimes I might need it, but most of the time not. But let's go ahead and take this bad boy out of the box. Let's see here. Yeah, let's take it out of the box. We're going to lay it to the side for right now and see what else we got in the box. All right, we look what we got. Instruction booklet right here. You definitely want to keep up with this instruction booklet. All right, it looks like we have a USB to USB. What is this? USB to USB-C charging cord. All right. So I'm gonna put that to the side. See what else we got in the box. Doesn't look like there's nothing else in the box, so I'm gonna put this back together so we get this out of the way so we can focus on this voice recorder. All right, I'm gonna put that to the side right there. I'll put it over here. How about that? All right, let's see. Man, this thing looks pretty cool. Let me peel off this protective film on the front. All right, peel this off. All right, look at this. That's gorgeous. I mean, this looks pretty nice. I mean, it looks like a little modern, nice, sleek, modern device, and it's not that big. And I should have had my my tape measure. Okay, before I measure this bad boy, let's take a look at this screen real quick. Let me find something to wipe off these fingerprints off the screen real quick. All right, so let me go ahead and turn this bad boy on. Make sure I got it on. Okay, yeah, I have it on. As you can see, the screen right here. All right. So what I'm going to do is scroll up. Now, man, you don't always have to use the screen. You can use this right here, the little wheel right here as well. So let's go through let's look at some of the settings that are on here real quick. Let's see. This is the smart record. All right, so I don't want to record. It's recording me right now as we speak. I don't really want to use that right now, so I'm gonna end that real quick. We'll come back to that right there. All right, exit, as you can see right here. All right, as you see right here, my files. Let's go to settings. All right, general settings right here. So let's see here. Okay, go down, general settings, screen off for 10 minutes. And matter of fact, let's go down, let's check it out. You can have it off for 1, 3, 5, or even 10 minutes, all right? Or, because I have it set for 10 minutes to auto screen off, and now, or you could just set it to never. So 10 minutes is good enough for me, all right? So let's go scroll all the way back up, all right? Let's go down to power off in 3. Okay, so you can power off in 1, 3, 5, or 10 hours, all right? 12 hours or 24 hours or never. Okay, but I have it for 3 hours. That should be good enough. I mean, you know, if I forget, then I got an issue then if I can't remember that. But anyway, let's see, let's go back up. Let's see, indicator on. All right, and I would like to keep the indicator on, so let me know if it's on, so I don't make that mistake and just, you know, be like, oh man, it's recording. I didn't know it was recording. So this will let you kind of help you out with that. All right, let's go here, lock screen with password. No, I mean, me, myself, I'm not going to use that, but if you're like in a business setting, you're doing, you know, doing business meetings and you're going over products that probably hadn't reached the public yet, and you're trying, you know, you're working on a secret project, yeah, you might want to set that, but it's for me, myself, you know, I'm not going to really need that, so I'm not going to even click on it because I don't want to mess that up right now. So let's see what else we got in his system language. All right, you have, you know, English. Let's see here. Now, I have no idea what the other languages are, but we're gonna keep it on English right here. All right, so I'm gonna go back up. Let's see. Okay, we're still on English. Let's go back up. All right, let's see what else we got. Storage space. Let's let me know how much storage space we got. All right, you see that? It tells us how much storage space we use, the system is used, and how much storage space you got. So let me go back out. All right, let's see what else is on the menu. System time. You can set the system time, date and time right there. Let's go back. And that's about it as far as in settings. Let's go see what else we got in here. We're in general settings. So you got transcription settings right here. All right, it's telling you we got it on English, which because I speak English, but you know, it has a couple other, it has a few other languages you can do. You can manage your language package right there. So let's go back out. File export, so you can export the file. You know, so I'm gonna exit out that because I'm not really doing that right now. And battery performance, you know, it show you your battery performance, or you could set a battery saver right here as well. So I mean, this thing is just packed with different features, system resources, and I'm guessing that's like system update. So if you need an update, check for updates. You can do that, but I'm not going to do it right now because I don't want to, you know, make this video long. But I think it's pretty much up to date as it is. Let's see what about the machine. Tells you about the machine. Let me go back out. That's it. Let's go back to the home screen. All right, this is the home screen. Cool. Right, so you can, so pretty much you can, you know, everything can be controlled, like far as, you know, changing the languages, changing your power, or you changing the idle time of the screen. I mean, this thing is cool. This thing is cool, and then with the omnidirectional microphones, this thing is pretty cool. So what I want to test, matter of fact, I want to do another record. I'm gonna do a recording. I'm gonna play some loud. Let me see. Matter of fact, I'm gonna get a speaker out, so we're gonna play like loud sounds, like from a cafe or something, so we can see how this will record. Like, say if you're in a setting like that in the cafe and you're trying to take some notes. Okay. I got me from Epidemic Sound. I got some background sound effects, sounding like a little. Like we're in a cafe somewhere, and let's go ahead and start this up. I'm gonna put on the got the little speaker right here. That's where the sound is gonna be coming out of for the the little crowd noise. Let's just set it right here. All right. I don't want to set it too close to me. All right. All right. Let's go ahead and hit that record button. All right. I'm testing the noise reduction to see how good it works with eliminating background sounds from my recording. As I can see right here on the screen that it is showing exactly what I'm saying. Doesn't seem to be picking up nothing speaking from the crowd noise. So let's stop the recording right here so we can see how this sounds with that background noise right there, okay? All right. All right, so let me go back here. Did I stop it? No, I didn't stop it. Done. So I put done, it's saving it. So we'll go back, we're into my files. Let's see, this is the latest one. Let's check it out. Play. All right, I'm testing the noise reduction to see how good it works with eliminating background sounds from my recording. As I can see right here on the screen that it is showing exactly what I'm saying. Okay, so as you can hear right there, it's it does pretty good. It works pretty good. I mean, yes, you can still, let me push the pause on here. You can still hear the cafe noise, the people in the background, but it's focusing on my voice. So my voice has priority over the background, the people in the background. So I think that technology right there alone is pretty cool. So I'm able to, if I'm sitting somewhere in the cafe and I want to take some notes real quick, I can take notes without worrying about, is the microphone going to pick me up? Is it going to hear me? Is it too loud in here? Man, they did their thing when they put these omnidirectional microphones, put in other microphones. So you got like, what, 6 microphones all together? This is pretty cool. This is pretty cool. So this is something that I would definitely recommend, especially if you're a business person, or if you're like a content creator like me, you're out and about and all of a sudden you get an idea for a video, bam, take out my voice recorder, go ahead and record, bam, you're good to go. No more of these looking for this notebook papers and everything and pens, because it seems like every time you're looking for a pen, you can't find one. So this right here could be a lifesaver, And like if college students, if you're out there, you taking notes and you're getting ready for a big exam, bam, you got this right here. You could also mark, whatever you're recording. Like if the teacher is putting out very important detail that's probably going to be on a test, you hit that button on here to go ahead and flag that spot right there, so you can go directly back to it to get them important notes. Man, this thing is pretty cool. I'm gonna leave a link in the description box below where you get more detailed information on it. Also, where you can pick one up for yourself. Trust me, this is gonna be with me all the time. Everywhere I go, this is gonna be with me all the time. Because and just fellas, you know how you get sent to the store, your wife sends you to the store for stuff, and you forget to jot it down. You get there and you can't remember what it was. You can record, everything right there. Keep yourself out of the doghouse and get you one of these. Record what it is, and it's because while you're recording it, it's also going to show on the screen, so you can go back and read what it is on the screen to see what it is that your wife sent you to the store for, or vice versa. Your partner, whoever. So that's another cool thing that this could be used for. This smart voice recorder can be used for. So yeah, this definitely will stay on my persons with me and be in my EDC bag with me everywhere I go, because yeah, the older you get, your memory go. This right here can really help, because logging something like this around all the time, and then trying to find pins, no, that's the past. Move into the modern age with something like this smart voice recorder. Trust me, you won't be disappointed. Like I said, I'm gonna leave a link in the description box below where you get more detailed information. And matter of fact, just pick one up for yourself, because trust me, man, I'm loving this. This is out of this year. This is another one of the coolest devices that I've had on the channel. I mean, their smart voice translator was number 1, and then this one is moved up to number 2. So yeah, iFLYTEK, they knocked it out of the park again with another cool and useful device. All right, useful device. And also, I got a question real quick. Have you hit that subscribe button? Go ahead, hit it. It's free, don't cost anything, and you'll be helping somebody out. But anyway, it's not about that. It's about this iFLYTEK smart voice recorder. Take another look at it real quick. Turn it around. Look at that. I mean, it's nice. It's nice. But I appreciate everybody taking out time to check out this video. And like I said, links will be in the description box below if you want to pick one of these up for yourself. Trust me, it's Christmas time, you know, holidays. Hey, man, this will be a good gift, all right? This will be a good gift, all right? And if you haven't already, go ahead to like, subscribe, notification bells. You notify new videos. Tell a friend, tell a friend, tell that friend, tell a friend to subscribe, subscribe, subscribe. It's free, don't cost anything, and you'll be helping somebody out. And you'll get to see cool products like this here on the channel, all right? Don't keep it to yourself. Let everybody else know about it so they can see some cool stuff like this, all right? All right. And like I always say, treat people how you want to be treated. Treat people better than you want to be treated, all right? All right. Let's see here. The message for today. Oh, I got it. The message for today is, remember, in this life, it's not all about you. It's about everybody. It's not all about you. And, you know, a lot of times, you know, we're always thinking everything's supposed to be all about us, and I need this, I need that. Before you start, feeling some type of way with other people, thinking because you think everybody's supposed to stop what they're doing and do for you, you got to think about it. You never know what other people are going through, or what other people have on their plate, and just stop and think. Just say, hey, I understand everything is not all about me; it's about everybody. So, that's the message for today. Remember, in this life, it's not all about you, it's all about everyone, all right? So don't just think about yourself, think about, everybody around you. I know I'm all over the place with this message for today, but trust me, it's not all about you, it's about everybody, all right? This has been your main man, Mark for Loose Screws and Views. Drop the mic and I'm out. Peace.